Hey, my name's Zach, and text-to-speech on the Kindle is awesome. I really do like it. I mean, it is a little bit robotic, and that's okay though. So you can actually go into a book, and let's say I want to listen to a page. Oh geez, where are we at? Let's go here. Okay, I want to read this page, but my eyes are closed. Can't really do anything about it. So, long story short, I have to listen to it. All I have to do is tap and hit play.
France, in a Christmas memorandum to the Kaiser, Falk and King proposed an offensive that would compel the French to throw in every man they have.
Love it. It's great. So, my name's Zach, and that is what text-to-speech sounds like. Thanks for watching.